How to reset password on WeChat. If you need to reset your password on WeChat, you can simply follow these steps. First of all, launch the WeChat app on your mobile device. Once inside the WeChat app, on the login page, you will get to see login or sign up option available there. Tap on the login if you are not already logged in. Now, all you have to do is enter your phone number which is associated with your WeChat account and tap on the accept and continue option available in the green box. Now here you'll be navigated to enter your password, but you can simply tap on the code option available at the bottom. Since you don't remember your password, tap on the code. Then you'll be navigated to the verification option available there. First of all, complete this CAPTCHA. Then tap on the OK option available there and wait for a few moments. Then after you enter the verification code, tap on the next option available there and you are logged into your WeChat account. Now, once logged into your WeChat account, all you have to do is tap on the Me icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Then tap on the settings option available there. Once inside settings, tap on the account security option available there. Then tap on the password. Here you can change your password, but since this is my new device, so I cannot change my password for 3 days. But if you are already logged into your previous device, then you can see change password option available there and change it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.